Hey guys, it's Ray Alvarez from Shoot with Ray, and in this really quick video, I just want to update you guys on my latest workshop that we just announced. Francisco Joel Hernandez and I are hosting a workshop in Orlando, Florida, and you are invited. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. It's an off-camera flash workshop for beginners, intermediate, or advanced. Regardless of any level of photography experience, you guys are gonna have a blast. We're gonna be working together, we're gonna be creating some images, we're gonna have hands-on demonstrations, and then after that, you guys get to have some fun and also shoot photos. We're gonna have a whole bunch of diverse models that you can work with. It's gonna be at a beautiful location, so we can shoot indoors and we can shoot outdoors. There's a bonus photo walk. There's gonna be a whole bunch of giveaways. We're gonna have loads of fun. Early bird tickets are on sale. After they're gone, we're going back to general admission. So if you guys want more information, you can read it in the description below. Will I see you there? I hope so. Again, and as always, thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe now so you can get updated with any more workshops and of course, any new videos.